The world doesn't respect people who are nice. It respects people who are necessary. If you feel like you're being overlooked, interrupted, or taken for granted, it's not because people are mean. It's because you've made yourself too easy to ignore. You are a background character in your own life. Today, we change the script. We're initiating the respect protocol, the availability trap. The first reason you aren't respected, you are always there. You reply to every text in seconds. You say yes to every low-value invite. You are a constant, and in economics, anything in infinite supply has zero value. Respect is built on scarcity. When you are always available, you signal that your time, and by extension, your life, isn't worth much. Stop being the person who is always free. Your presence should be a reward, not a given. If it doesn't build your empire, it doesn't get your time. The over-explainer disease. Listen closely. Stop explaining yourself. Low-status people feel the need to justify their every move. I can't come because my car is acting up and I have this other thing. Stop. When you over-explain, you are asking for permission. You are putting the other person in the position of a judge. A man of respect gives his no and leaves it at that. Silence is your greatest leverage. Let the silence hang. Let them wonder. The less you say, the more weight your words carry when you actually speak. The fortress of boundaries. People will treat you exactly how you train them to treat you. If you allow someone to joke at your expense or disrespect your time once, you've just given them a license to do it forever. Boundaries aren't about being aggressive. They are about being immovable. You don't need to shout. You just need to walk away. If a situation doesn't serve your growth, exit. A person who is willing to walk away from anyone is a person no one wants to lose. That is where respect begins. The final truth, you cannot talk people into respecting you. You have to build the version of yourself that commands it. Stop seeking validation. Stop asking for a seat at the table. Go into the dark. Work on your body, your mind, and your craft. When you show up 6 months from now, sharper, quieter, and more successful, they won't need an explanation. They'll see the results, and they will have no choice but to respect the man you've become.